Good morning, respected principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. Today, I, Gurkeer Singh Jwanda, stand before you to put across my views on the topic that how technology has been the ultimate rescuer of mankind. I hope you all are in the pink of your health. I would like to start my speech with a quote. Albert Einstein once said, "It has become appallingly obvious that technology has exceeded our humanity." Technology development in the last decade has made the world a much better place to live in. Technology improvements in the field of medicine have enabled remote location surgeries with the help of robots. It has increased the average age life, reduced the chances of infection and disease. Also, it has speeded up delivering of medicines and life-saving drugs. Logan Than was having a heart transplant, and on that day there was a lot of road traffic. In that time of emergency, the heart was delivered on a helicopter in 13 minutes from Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital to Fortis Hospital in Adyar. Imagine if such technology would not have been created, then many people like Logan Than would have died just because of some road traffic. These are some of the evidences that tell us that how technology has always helped us in our tough situations. There was a time that the expected life age in India was very low as compared to our study situation. According to some research work done by WHO, life expectancy rate of India in 1985 was 54 years, in 2000 was 61 years, and in 2020 is 69 years. What does this tell us? It is obvious that our technology has helped us make such drugs that help people live for a longer period of time. Today, we people live in such a society that each and every work is done via mobile phones, laptops, etc. One of the major benefits for the common people is that they do not have to stand in long lines for transferring money. They can easily do it via net banking. This is one of the major spread of technology. If we cover the aspects of education, technology has assisted us a lot. Due to the rapid spread of coronavirus, we all students have been seated at our homes. But still in this crisis, our technology has prevailed over it. We, sitting at homes, still are handful of opportunities and should be eager to grab them. Nowadays, we also have ebooks where we can read non-fictional books, novels, and even our school books. That means internet is a full package of knowledge. It was in 1295 that Marco Polo returned from China to Italy and brought back the information of woodblock printing. This information later helped Jonas Gutenberg to invent the first printing press, which led to the making of newspaper. Now imagine a life without the newspapers. We could not get any information like the way we get today. These are some examples how technology has helped us grasp information. Our frontline workers like the doctors and nurses battling the war of coronavirus and this war, technology has played a vital role. Today doctors and nurses have handheld devices to record the patient's real-time data and instantly update their medical report. This makes more accurate and more efficient diagnosis and treatments. Centralization of critical patient data and lab results has really improved the quality of healthcare. Due to the 3D printing, big industries are able to make the needed amount of ventilators that are required for the treatment of the COVID-19 patients. Now, I would like to come to the cessation of my speech and would like to end with another quote. Technology is the most useful servant and the most dangerous master. Thank you and may you all have a very good day.